Welcome to our tutorial on how to hang sheer curtains using a ripple fold style channel rod. First, let's take a look at the materials you'll need. You need an installed channel rod and a curtain with the second piece carriers attached to it. Now, it's time to hang your sheer curtains. Start by clicking the second piece carrier, which is already attached to the curtain, into the first piece carrier in the track. Ensure that each carrier is securely attached and making sure that each one clicks into place. If you miss any, you will need to start over. Once all of the carriers are in place, begin arranging the folds. This process is easier and the end result is better if you steam or iron your curtains before you create the ripple fold, but it's not necessary. Gently adjust the fabric to create a smooth, continuous S-fold line, going one fold at a time. Here's a demonstration of how to create the final result. This will give your curtains a polished, flowing appearance. The end result should be a beautifully arranged sheer curtain with elegant ripple folds. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to hang sheer curtains using ripple fold carriers on a channel rod. Enjoy your new shades! Please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment if you liked this video. We would love to receive your feedback, and please let us know what you would like to see in future videos. Thank you.